So hello everyone, welcome to yet another question. Here we have been given some expressions and equations and we need to find out value of 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power y equal to what is the value. So if what we have been given 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y, let us assume it to be equal to k. The moment we assume it to be equal to k and my 2 to the power x is equal to k, I can apply a formula here which is a to the power m is equal to k, then a will be nothing but k to the power 1 by m. So this power goes as a reciprocal power to the other side. So 2 will be equal to k to the power 1 by x and similarly 3 will be equal to k to the power 1 by y. Now we have been given another equation where 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power y is given equal to 1. But here I have only k to the power 1 by x equal to 2. So let's square it both sides. Just squaring it will give us k to the power 2 by x equal to 2 ka square. As a to the power m to the power n is equal to a m into n. So we have applied the same thing here 1 by x and the outside 2 is there. So 2 into 1 by x will be 2 by x. Similar way, let's move forward. So if we have k 1 to the power y is equal to 3. So just cubing both side will give us k 3 by y is equal to 3 ka cube. Right? So we have two things here, k to the power 2 by x and k to the power 3 by y is been given as 3 ka cube. Now if we multiply these two, k to the power 2 by x into k to the power 3 by y, this will be 2 square into 3 cube. And as I know, a to the power m into a to the power n is nothing but a m plus n. I mean, if we have the same base here and the powers are m and n, they will add to be m plus n. So for this case, we have same base k and the power are 2 by x and 3 by y. So it will be k 2 by x plus 3 by y, which will be equal to 4 into 27, which comes out to be 108. Now I know that this is given as 1 from the question. So k to the power 2 by x plus 3 by y is given as 1. So k will be equal to 108 here. Now I have assumed that 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y equal to k, right? And I have to find out 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power y, and both of them are equal to k. So I can just simply write k plus k. I mean, they will be equal to 2k. And k's value we have already find out, which is 108. So 2 into 108 gives me what? 216. And that will be my answer for this question. I hope you understand this concept. Please like and subscribe the channel. And please leave a comment if you need any clarification. Thank you so much. I hope you like this.